Hi, hi YouTube. This is Miss Foreigner, one of my YouTube channel. And by the way, uh, auntie, auntie. My auntie is the sister of my father. My auntie helped me to support me in my need, especially in uploading the video. Then here I can use free Wi-Fi. I want to help her also because she is a widow and then she is blind. She is blind. Hope that help us. And before she is not blind. Why she is blind? Because before her work is she is drug user.
The use help. Dito di ka mamonetize mo.
Wala pa naman. In the club there is a riot, and that's the cause of her blindness. She accidentally hit by the bottle of the beer.